bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Definition of interpretation. Interpretation is the process of explaining the meaning of a text, a trance, date, event, or action. It does not only involve understanding learning meaning, but also conferring implied meaning by considering context, purpose, evidence, and point of view. Interpretation is used in reading interpretation, bilingual oral communication, translation and language mediation, academic research, literary and cultural criticism, professional interaction, meeting, public service, and education. There are 5 purposes of identifying types of interpretation. Learners are explained to be able to. The first, distinguish literal and implied meaning. Recognize social and cultural context. Evaluate messages critically. Use appropriate oral interpretation method in different settings. Avoid misunderstanding in multilingual communication. Types of interpretation set on meaning approach. The first, interpretation meaning is understood exactly as written or spoken, without ending assumption. Second, inferential interpretation. Meaning is obtained by reading between the lines and drawing logical conclusion. The third, critical interpretation. Meaning is evaluated based on evidence, the speaker, writer, purpose, and possible bias. The fourth, effective emotional interpretation. Meaning is spaced by the emotional response of the reader or listener. The fifth, contextual interpretation. Meaning is understood through social, cultural, historical, or situation context. Types of oral interpretation. The following types are used in real-time multilingual communication. Simultaneous interpretation. The interpreter conveys and messenger at the same time as the main speaker, using use a microphone and handset. Suitable for lectures or a plain discussion. Consecutive interpretation. The speaker starts in short segment, pause, and the interpreter deliver and messenger afterward. Require more time but does not need special equipment. Whispered interpretation. Interpreter stand or sit close to the listener and interpreters in a low voice without special equipment, suitable for every small group. Telephonic interpretation. Interpretation calls to the aware call between two people who do not share a language and interpreter usually perform consecutively. The last, side translation. The interpreter writes written text aloud, immediately converting it into another's language after part of simultaneous or consecutive decision, such as reading presentation slide. Step for identifying types of interpretation. Step of identify types of interpretation. Understand the communication context. Determine the object of interpretation. Written text, spoken language. Identify the purpose. Conveying the messenger. Analyzing meaning. Match with the type. Meaning-based approach. Literal, inferential. Oral method, such as simultaneous, consecutive. Check accuracy and supporting evidence. Formulate conclusion logically.